Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Kanina pa pala kayo nandyan? Okay.
Okay.
Ngayon ay sisimulan na po natin. In 3, 2, 1.
Naghintay ka ba? Wala na. It's a prank.
Gusto niyo ba ng kaalaman? You want knowledge?
Paano masabi?
As in maraming kaalaman? As in many more knowledge? Mga misteryo, teorya, at kung ano-ano pang bumabagabal sa iyong isipan. About mystery, theory, or many more things that trouble your mind. Watch out, I'm coming for you.
Uy, sana all!
Mga tanong na kailangang sagutin. Abay, tutok na. At bibigyan natin yan ng kasagutan.
Wala kaming pakialam!
Magandang araw sa lahat po ng ating mga taga-subaybay. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Good day to all my viewers watching right now. It's either Luzon, Visayas, or even Mindanao. Let's get ready to rumble. By the way, I am Professor J, and at the same time, I am your English translator.
Sana all.
So marami po tayo mga viewers na nagtatanong. No? We have so many viewers asking questions. Okay, kaya umpisahan na po nating basahin mga katanungan. At ito po ay pinadala ni Mr. Philip Pagalan ng Surigao. So let's start answering the question of Mr. Philip Pagalan from Surigao City. By the way, shout out nga pala sa iyo.
What's up? What's out sa
Mr. Philip Pagalan from Surigao.
Watch out? Shout out pala, shout out!
So ito yung tanong mo, Mr. Philip Pagalan. Professor J, totoo po ba na ang araw ang nagbibigay buhay sa mundo?
What a wonderful world.
Okay, so I will translate it in English. Is it true that Mr. Sun give us a life on earth?
Gago!
So ito ang kasagutan dyan, Mr. Philip Pagalan. Makinig kang mabuti.
Okay.
In English, this is the truly answer about that, Mr. Philip Pagalan. No? So kindly stop, look and listen.
Now this is my side. Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
So malaking yes na ayan, Mr. Philip Pagalan. At totoo talaga na ang araw ang nagbibigay buhay sa ating mundo. So it is a big yes that Mr. Sun is the one who truly gives us life. Ayon sa pag-aaral ng mga scientificong taga-kanluran, in English, based on the study of the Westlife scientist. So ito nga sabi nila dito nakasulat, meron daw tayong tuwa, kasiyahan, at meron din tayong panahon ng araw In English, we have joy, we had fun, we have season in the sun. The hills that we'll climb, we just season out of time. Parang kanta yan, ano?
Galing ha?
Anyway, ang importante po dyan ay nalaman po natin ang tamang kasagutan. In English, the important is we know how to solve the problem solving. Kaya kung nga po pala ito tina-translate in English, no, ay para rin maintindihan ng ating mga kaibigang foreigners is the foreigners pala. Sa buong panig ng mundo. In English, ang haba po nun, ano? Parang pwede shortcut na lang po.
Baliwang pota.
Okay. Kakayanin ko to.
Excuse me po.
In English, I translate it in English so that our fellow Englishman friends in all around the world in 30 days will understanding our topic. So hanggang dito na lamang po, no, ang programa natin sa araw na ito. In English, our program for today was ended right now. So, sample pa lang ito, no? At abangan po ninyo ang susunod po nating mga kabanata. In English, it is a sample only. And prepare for my new videos a few days later.
3 days later.
So that's all for today. Goodbye and God bless us all. At huwag po ninyong kakalimutang mag-like and subscribe para updated po kayo sa lahat ng videos na gagawin natin. In English, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and update you every day and every night. Good day to all our viewers watching right now. At huwag po ninyong kakalimutang mag-like and subscribe para updated po kayo sa mga videos na gagawin. So let's start answering the question of Mr. Philip Pagalan from By the way, I'm Professor J, and at the same time in English, is it true that Mr. Sun gives us a life on earth? Yes, it's true that Mr. Sun gives us So this is the truly answer about that, Mr. Philip Pagalan. Ayon sa pagsusuri ng scientificong pag-aaral, I will translate it in English so that our fellow friends English. I will translate it in English so that ayon sa scientificong taga silangan